Hey guys, Coach Candace here. I'm so glad that you guys are joining me today. And today I'm going to share a story all about lead generation. This literally changed the game for me. So if you're a coach, you're an entrepreneur, a consultant, or a business owner that understands that leads are the lifeblood of your business, that if you do not have leads, then you don't have a business, baby. You have a hobby. Let's just keep it real, okay? So I'm going to tell you all about it. We're going to break down exactly how I was able to use $1,100 as fuel for my business to generate leads. And then I was able to actually pull out $30,000 from Facebook advertisement. Yep, you heard me right. So let's break down exactly what I did to do that. How did I do it? Let me tell you, I'm going to walk you through the steps and the strategies that I use, because I not only pulled out leads, but I'm talking about qualified leads, people who are like willing and ready and interested in taking the leap into actually doing business. I'm not talking about tire kickers, people who are like, I don't know. No. Step number one, I actually started off with a high ticket offer. Okay. So if you've never heard of a high ticket offer, basically what this is, this could be an offer that's $2,000 and up. My offer was actually $5,000, but this needs to be a signature offer, some type of proven process that you've already proven. Like, we're not sitting here trying to offer something that we have never, proven, or we're just trying to test it out. No, what you want to do is have a high ticket offer, a method that has already been proven. Now, even if you have never created a high ticket offer, you could actually still create one and do a beta price, right? I'll have to explain to you what that is in another video, but just know that you need to start off with a high ticket offer, because we're going to use that high ticket offer to create something that's called an irresistible freebie. Okay. So this is like a free download. This is like a PDF, training, some type of free thing that you're going to give your leads in exchange for collecting their information, their name, their phone number, and their email address. So we're going to take our high ticket offer, and we're going to use about 5% of that offer. I want you to think of your offer like a pie. We're going to use 5% of that offer, and then we're going to create this irresistible freebie. Now, here's what's happening. A lot of times you guys are creating freebies that don't coincide. They don't align with your offer. So because you actually give away this freebie that has nothing to do with the core offer that you really want to pitch to your leads, what's happening is that your leads are telling you no, because they're like, hey, I signed up for this thing, about digital products, how to create digital products. Now you're telling me that you have an offer on how to create decor or something. So I'm just using that as an example so you understand that your freebie needs to coincide with your offer. So that's going to be step number 2. Now let's talk about Facebook ads. And I know that Facebook ads can be kind of scary, but the way that I'm going to actually tell you to do this Facebook ad campaign, it's going to be so simple. Okay. Now the truth is that sometimes there could be a bit of a learning curve when it comes to Facebook advertisement. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how I was very strategic and intentional with using my $1,100 to actually run the ads. I wasn't looking for random buyers. No, I made sure that every dollar went to identifying my target audience. I spent time dialing in my audience, targeting specific people that had a problem that I could actually solve for them. I use the right ad copy, I use the right visuals, and I use the right Facebook advertisement format to actually generate these leads so that they would be interested in my core offer. What's so interesting is that Facebook actually has something called lead ads. And what they use is an instant form, meaning that your clients do not have to go to your landing page or to your website to opt in. No, they're going to do everything on the Facebook platform. They're going to do everything on Meta's platform. So that means Facebook or Instagram. They're not going to have to leave the platform in order to fill out this information. It's all going to be collected through Facebook. That means on your part, this is the easiest advertisement that you're going to actually set up, because you don't have to have a funnel or anything like that. You don't have to have outside pages to do this. Okay. So that is why I absolutely love this type of advertisement. Now, full disclosure, you are going to have to do some things on the back end of things with your CRM system, your email marketing system, to hook up everything to ensure that your leads actually get the freebie that they opted into on your Facebook lead ad. But other than that, it's absolutely simple. I've literally used this ad and I've gotten leads for anywhere from 30 cents to 33 cents, 45 cents. And I've even paid as much as about $1.10. I really like to keep it under $1.10. But honestly, if you think about it, if you have a lead converts over to someone who wants to purchase your high ticket offer of $5,000, but you only paid $1.10, I'm saying yes to that all day, every day. Now, once those leads actually started to come into my funnel, what I did was I followed up with an email nurturing sequence. So that is like a 7-day or 10-day email sequence where I introduce myself to the lead. I actually provide the free download that they opted into. But not only that, we let them know that we are taking calls to help them to really solve whatever problem that they opted into, whatever problem that they want to get solved. We were able to collect their name, their phone numbers, and their email addresses. So what my team did, either got a call from myself or from my team, asking them, letting them know that we are setting up some sales calls or some strategic training calls to help them to solve the problem that they opted into. And we asked them, hey, would this be a good fit for you? Now, we do go over a whole strategic script to make sure that they are qualified and they're ready to take the next step. And the truth is that these were not just like salesy calls. No, they were educational. They were helpful. They were impactful. That is one of my greatest things, is to leave the leads and my clients, potential clients. I want them to leave feeling inspired, educated, and even entertained. But what was so amazing is that a lot of times we got on these calls and we literally served on these calls. Like, I actually prayed with one young lady. We prayed and we even had a mini deliverance session. So these calls were very value packed. And so it was definitely a way for us to show our servants' heart and to show like what it would be like to coach with us or to come into one of our high ticket programs. Essentially, by the time that they got on a call with us, they were nurtured so much so that they were ready to invest because they were able to see a sample of what it would be like to come into our high ticket containers. So to recap, it all comes down to 4 things. The first thing is that you want to have a signature high ticket offer, okay? A proven method. Then you're going to take 5% of that proven method, that high ticket offer, and you're going to turn that into an irresistible freebie. And then you are going to deploy your Facebook lead ads. And then you are going to nurture your leads onto a sales call, and you are going to close deals. It literally is that simple. That's how we're able to put $1,100 in Facebook ads and pull out $30,000. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait for you to join me on the next video.